Taking 1 in 1 presents how to make milkshake. You will need a cup, preferably with a lid on it. You will also need some milk and some milkshake mix. Now put a little bit of milkshake mix in your cup. Be careful, don't put too much in. Instead, put in just about 1/9 of a cup. Now, get your milk out. Now, pour the milk into your cup. Now, put the milk back in the fridge. Put the lid on your cup. Now, shake your cup, but don't shake your cup like crazy. Instead, shake your cup normally, up and down. Now, release the lid of your cup. Now, get a straw for your cup. And now, you have the perfect milkshake. Tasty!